How to crop curved edges in Google Slides. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about. So guys, let's start with the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the okay guys, so here we are. So let me first insert the image. So let me go in insert image. I have to upload the image from my computer, so I just uploaded it. Now you can see this is the rectangle heart curved image. Okay, so I need to make it rounded curve. Rounded edges. So first I need to select that image, and we need to go in this crop image, and here you can see the down tiny down arrow. Just click on it and go to the shape. Here you can see the rectangle. This is a normal rectangle edge, rectangle shape where we have the normal edges. But if you want to make it curve or rounded, you can select this one, rounded rectangles. Just click on it. Now you can see your image edge is now curved and it's look like rounded. So if you want to make more rounded, or you want to make it more, then you can just click on this diamond symbol and click and hold it, and you can just drag inside to make more rounded or curved, or you can drag outside to decrease the round or curve. Okay, so that is how you can make the curved edges in Google Slide. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.